The real head tag genuinely holds far more than just a title. Meta tags, style sheets, scripts, and icons all real live there. In this video you'll build out a real, complete head section. Charset should genuinely be the very first real tag in head. It tells the browser how to actually decode the document's text. This real style sheet link genuinely loads external CSS. The real meta description genuinely provides the search result snippet. Deferred genuinely lets this real script load in the background without blocking actual page rendering, running only once the DOM is ready. Charset genuinely should be the very first tag inside head. Link tag genuinely loads external real CSS. Script tag genuinely loads a script without blocking real page rendering. Build a real complete head section with charset, title, meta description, and a style sheet link. Ready to understand doctype and document encoding properly?